Good morning, students. Okay, so before entering into the topic, let us have some discussion. Okay, so do you all have friends? So what do we have in schools and in your neighbors? In the house, you will have with your neighbors. Okay, how many friends do you have? You are having so much of friends. Okay, so what is the uses for having a friend? Because they will, when we are in need, they will come and help us. Okay, so we will share our feelings, happiness, sadness to our own age of friends only. Okay, so today also we are going to see about the 4 friends. Okay, the 4 friends are animals. Okay, the 4 friends are animal friends. Okay, today we are going to see the new story. Okay, the title of the story is the 4 friends. Okay, it's a 7th lesson. 4 friends. So 4 friends, they are all of animal. Okay, so now let us see who are they. Okay, here character. Okay, I am writing the characters. Here the characters are mouse. Okay, a mouse, it named Monty. Mouse named Monty. Then deer named Daisy. Deer named Daisy. Then crow named Cuckoo. Crow named Cuckoo. And tortoise named Tinku. Okay, tortoise named Tinku. So who are all the 4 friends? Mouse named Monty, deer named Daisy, crow named Cuckoo, tortoise named Tinku. Okay, these are the characters. Now take page number 61 in your English book. So 4 friends, Monty the mouse, Daisy the deer, Cuckoo the crow, Tinku the tortoise lives in a jungle. What do you mean by jungle? Jungle is a forest. Okay, these 4 friends, they lives in a jungle. One day a hunter lay a trap. Okay, hunter means in Tamil what we will say Vetekaran. Okay, so hunter, it lays the trap. That is the hunter. One day the hunter catch the animals. Okay, one day the hunter catches the animals. Read the story to find out what happens to the 4 friends. Now this is the story. By reading the story, we can understand that what happened to the 4 friends. Okay. Now students, listen that. Okay. In a faraway jungle lived 3 friends. Okay. Monty the mouse, Daisy the deer, and Cuckoo the crow. Okay. First, there lived the 3. These 3 are friends. Okay. They lived in a meadow. What do you mean by meadow? Meadow is the grassland. Okay. They lived in a meadow of tulip near a beautiful lake. Near the beautiful lake, these 3 friends are living. Okay. They always play together. One day they meet a tortoise. Okay. One day the 3 of them, they meet the tortoise. Okay, this story is in the form of the conversation. Okay, so you have to remember this. Monty, the named mouse named Monty, deer named Daisy, crow named Cuckoo, tortoise named Tinku. You have to remember this. So this here they are given it as Monty, Daisy, Cuckoo, Tinku. So you have to remember that by seeing this. Okay, now I am going to read the conversation. Tinku. Hello everybody, I am Tinku. Can I be your friend? Cuckoo, sure. Daisy and Monty together, we could love to be a friend, Tinku. So the tortoise is asking, can I be your friend? Like that. So the crow is saying, sure. And the mouse and the deer, it also saying that, okay, sure, you can be our friends, like that. Okay, the 4 of them. Now how many friends are there? Now the tortoise is joined to these 3 friends. Now how many friends are there? There are 4 friends. So only the story has the title 4 friends. Okay. The four of them became very good friends. One day, Moti, Cuckoo and Tinku are waiting for Daisy by the lake. Okay, so one day, these three of them, mouse, crow, tortoise, are waiting for the deer to come. They are waiting near the lake. Okay, for whom they are waiting? For the deer. Okay. Cuckoo, when will we play? Monty, let us wait for Daisy. Cuckoo, she should have come by now. Tinku, I am worried. I hope she is safe. Here, the new word worried is there. What do you mean by worried? Worried means being concerned about someone or something. Okay. New words. Worried. Worried means being concerned about someone or something. Okay, someone or something. Worried means being concerned about someone or something. Okay, he is concerning about the deer. Okay, Tinku Tata is saying, I am worried. I hope she is safe. I think I'm very much worried. Romba vartama irukken, like that. The tortoise is saying. Okay, the tortoise is saying, I am worried. I hope she is safe. Monty, we must look for her. Okay, the three are discussing with one another. The mouse is saying, when we will play, like that. Then Monty is saying, that is the mouse is saying, let us wait for the Daisy to come. Like that they had a discussion. Okay, the three animals, they had a discussion. And the tortoise is saying, Tinku, that is the tortoise is saying that, Cuckoo, you should fly over the jungle and look for a Daisy. And the tortoise is saying to the crow that, so you can fly over the jungle and look for the Daisy. Like that, tortoise is telling to the crow, it will fly, no, it will quickly fly from one place to another, it will quickly fly. So he gives the duty to the tortoise, gave the duty to the crow to search the deer. Okay, so Cuckoo said, I will go right way. So can you think what happened to the deer? Do you have any idea about that? What has happened? Let us see that. Okay, Cuckoo flies over the jungle calling out Daisy. The crow is flying over the jungle and calling out the deer's name. What is the deer name here? Daisy. Daisy, like that he flies over the jungle. Daisy is saying, Daisy, help. Daisy is also calling for the help. Cuckoo hears Daisy calling for help. He flies down to her. The crow hears the sound of the deer and flies down to her. Okay, now the deer is saying, help. No, the crow hears the sound of the deer's voice and flies down to her. Cuckoo, oh dear, you are trapped. What do you mean by trap? Trap means it's a device to catch animals. Okay, trap. Trap means a device to catch animals. A device to catch animals. To catch the animals, they will use the device. That is known as the trap. The hunter will trap. Hunter, they will catch the animals. That is known as the hunter's trap. Okay. Now, the deer, it is trapped in the hunter's net. Okay. Oh dear, you are trapped. Okay. Daisy, I think it is a hunter's trap. Cuckoo, I will get help. Don't worry. Daisy, alright, be quick. So now they finally crow meets the deer. Okay. So the deer, it was in the hunter's net. Okay, the deer, it was trapped in the hunter's net and it was nailed on their sides. Okay. Now the deer, it was in the net. Okay. Now the crow is saying, don't worry, I will help you. So the deer is saying, okay, be quick. Otherwise the hunter will come. So be quick, like the deer is saying. Cuckoo Cuckoo flies back to his other friends. Cuckoo is just want to say the matter that deer is in danger to this other friend, to the mouse and the tortoise he want to say. So he flies over to his other friends. Tinku, did you find Daisy? Tortoise is asking that. Did you find the deer? Yes, the crow is saying, yes, I found her. She is trapped in a hunter's net a few miles from here. We should help her out. Okay, so the crow is saying that, saying the danger. That deer was trapped in the hunter's net. We have to help her. Like that crow is saying. Tinku, Moti, can you use your teeth to cut the net? So the tortoise is asking to the mouse that, can you cut the net with your teeth? Because the net, so the deer was trapped in the hunter's net. No. So what is the uses of the mouse? The mouse, it will bite anything. If we keep anything, means it will come and bite. Okay. So it will become very damaged. So while you kept anything and went to sleep, means next morning you come and see, means there is a little bit, the mouse, it will come and eat something. So the mouse, it can cut the net with the sharp teeth. The mouse, it is having a sharp teeth. So with the sharp teeth, he can easily cut the net. Okay, so he is asking, can you cut the net with your teeth? So he is saying, okay. Moti is saying, yes, I can. Cuckoo, come on, hurry up and sit on my back. I will take you there. So he's saying okay, and the crow is saying that okay, be quick, you can sit on me. Okay, the crow is saying that okay, be quick. So the crow, come on, hurry up and sit on my back. I will take you. The crow is saying you can sit on my back. Mouse, to the mouse he is saying, okay, so mouse, you can sit on my back, I will take you there. Like that a crow is saying. Okay, now Cuckoo carries Moti on his back. That is, the crow carries mouse on the back. Okay, and soars away. Soars means what? Flies with wings spread. Okay, this is a movement of the crow. Okay, what do you mean by soars? Soars means flies with wings spread. So this is the movement of the crow. Okay, so on the back of the crow, the mouse is sitting. Okay, mouse is sitting and they go away. They reach the place where Daisy is lying trapped. Okay, now the Daisy is lying trapped. Now in that place, they both went. Who went? The crow is carrying a mouse on his back and reaches the place. Okay, Daisy, oh, I'm so glad you are here. The Daisy is saying, I'm so glad means what? Happy. I'm so happy you are here. Then do you think that Daisy will be saved now? Can you think the deer will be saved? Do you have any idea? What do you think will happen next? Can you get any idea? Now, so to the place, the crow carries mouse on his back and went to the place where the deer is trapped in the hunter's net. Okay, now in this place, these three animals are there. Can you think what happened next? We can see that. Okay. Monty cut the net and frees Daisy. Now the mouse cut the hunter's net and frees the deer. Okay, the deer, it was trapped in the hunter's net. No, so the mouse, it cut the net so that the deer, it frees. Okay, thank you so much, Monty. So the deer is saying thank you so much to the mouse. Okay, by the time Daisy is rescued, now the deer was saved. Okay, now the deer was saved with the help of the mouse. Okay, the mouse, he cut the net with the teeth. Now the deer was saved. Tinku reaches the spot. So in this place, now these three animals are there. I have told no. So at that time, the tortoise also came to that place. Okay, now these four animals are in one place. Cuckoo, run, everybody run. The hunter is here. The cuckoo, the crow is saying that at that time the hunter also came to that spot. When 4 animals are at one place and the deer, it also left free because the mouse come and cut the net. No, so now it also free. The 4 animals are in one place. At that time the hunter also reaches the spot. So the crow is saying, run, run, everybody run. Monty, look, the hunter has catched Tinku. He has put him in the bag. The mouse is saying that the hunter has catched the tortoise. The hunter has catched the tortoise and put him in the bag. Why? There are 4 animals. Why the tortoise alone got hatched in the hunter's bag? How the hunter has catched the tortoise? Do you have any idea? Because usually the tortoise, how the tortoise will move? It will move very slowly. Now here also the tortoise, it is moving very slowly. So the hunter, he easily catches the tortoise and put him in this bag. Okay. Cuckoo, oh no, we should help him. The crow is saying we have to help the tortoise. Daisy and deer, okay. Deer, it is having one plan. What's the plan? Let's see that, okay. I have a plan. I'm going to lie down a good distance away where the hunter can see me. Cuckoo can sit on me. The hunter will think that I am dead. He will come towards me. At the moment, Moti can cut the back and save Tinku. So, what they are telling is the deer, it is having one good plan. Okay. The plan is the deer, it will lie on the ground. Okay. So, the crow will sit upon the deer. Okay. The deer is lying on the ground. So, upon the deer, the crow it will sit upon the deer. So, by seeing this, what the hunter will think? The hunter will think that the deer is died. The deer is died. So he will come nearest to me. So if died means the hunter will come and pick up the deer. No. So he will come nearest to me. At that time, mouse, you can cut the hunter's back and saves the tortoise. Like that, they are having one plan. Students, have you clear with the plan? What's the plan they are having? That is the deer, it is lying on the ground and the crow is sitting on her. By saying this, the hunter thinks that the deer has died. So at that time, he will walk towards me. At the right time, the mouse is there. No, the mouse. So the mouse, you can cut the hunter's back. Mouse is able, with the help of a sharp teeth, it is used to cut the back. No, so the mouse, you can cut the hunter's back and saves the Tinku. So this is a plan they are making. Okay. And Moti, that's a good plan. Let us do that. Okay. So the mouse is saying it is a very good plan. We shall do that. Like that they are telling. Do you think it is a good plan? So whether the plan will be possible to save the tortoise? So do you have any idea? So it is a good plan. Whether the plan will come into a successful one or with a failure one. Okay, let us see to that. Okay, now they are doing the plan. Okay, the hunter sees Daisy lying on the ground and Cuckoo sitting on her. He puts the bag down and walks towards Daisy. So the hunter is saying that the deer is lying on the ground. The crow is sitting on her. Okay, so the hunter, he puts the bag down. Okay, in the bag what is there is a tortoise. So he puts the bag down and walks towards the deer. Okay, at that time the mouse is there. No, Moti quickly cuts the bag open. Okay, the mouse, it comes and cut the bag. Okay, and to save the tortoise. Now, so the deer is sleeping, lying on the ground and crow is sitting on her. Okay. Now the hunter thinks that the deer is died and he put there, and the hunter, he puts the bag down and walks towards the deer. So at that time the bag is down. No. So at the right time the mouse cut the hunter's bag. Okay. Now the tortoise and the mouse are hiding behind the bushes. Okay. Moti and Tinku hide behind the bushes. Now the tortoise was saved. So in the hunter's bag only the tortoise is there. Now the mouse come and cut the hunter's bag. Now the tortoise was saved. Okay. Now the tortoise was saved by the mouse. Okay. So in the meanwhile, as the hunters nears Daisy, she darts away. So they two have escaped, and now these two animals are there. That is, crow is lying on the ground and deer is lying on the ground and crow is sitting on her. Now imagine that the hunters nears. So what will happen? The hunter will take the deer or not? Can you have any idea to that? What will happen next? Think it over. So the deer is lying on the ground, the crow is sitting on her, the hunters nears. When the hunters near, the deers, okay, the deer, it darts away. What do you mean by darts? Darts means to move suddenly and quickly, okay. It is very important, okay. Darts. Darts means what? To move suddenly and quickly. To move suddenly and quickly. What do you mean by darts? To move suddenly and quickly. The deer, it quickly moved. It moves suddenly and quickly. When the hunters is near, the deer, it move quickly. Okay, tappichu odiruchu. When the hunter is nearing to the deer, it ran very fast. Okay. What do you mean by dart? Dart means to move suddenly and quickly. The deer, it moved suddenly and very fast. He jumped, and the crow is there. No, the crow, it also flies. Crow, it also flies. The deer, it darts. It quickly moved. It suddenly moved, and the crow, it flies. The four friends escape and live together happily. Now the four friends are escaped from the hunter. Okay. Now the deer, these two already, the mouse and the tortoise are hiding behind the bushes. Now these two animals are there. When the hunters nears, the deer, it quickly ran. It quickly moved. Okay. And the crow, it flied. Okay. Now the four friends are escaped from the hunter. What do you mean by escape? Escape means get away. Okay. Escape means get away. So escape means get away. The four friends escape and live together happily. Okay, now they escape from the hunters and they are now living together very happily. Okay, now so this is a story. So this is the end of the story. So students, have you all cleared with the story? So I hope you clear with the story. So from this story, what do you understand? What is the moral you understand? That is, the moral of the lesson is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay. Moral of the lesson is a friend in need is a friend indeed. This is the moral of the story. A friend in need is a friend indeed. What do you understand from this? A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend will help when help is needed. It is a true friend. Okay. A friend will help. Okay. The friend will help when help is needed. Is a true friend. When you want a help, the friends will come and help you. When you are in need of help, the friend will come and help you. That is a true friend. So here also the first, who is in the danger one? First, the deer is in the danger. So these three of them, that is mouse, crow, tortoise, they saves the deer. The next one, the tortoise, it is in the danger. So these three animals, what are the animals? Mouse, deer, crow. These animals, they are planning to save the tortoise and they also save the tortoise. Okay. So they are now the danger one are the deer is in danger and tortoise is in the danger. So the friends, they help them. They help them to save. Okay. Now the four four friends are very happy. Okay, so a friend will help when help is needed is a true friend. Okay, when you are in a critical position, a friend will come and help you. That is a true friend. Okay, so from the story we have learned that a friend in need is a friend in need. Okay, here the deer and the tortoise are in a very dangerous condition, critical condition. The three of the friends, the rest of the friends, that is three of the friends, they united and help them in danger, and also they saved them. Okay, so students, have you all clear with the story? What are the new words we come across? Worried means being concerned about someone or something, and trap means a device to catch animals. Source means flies with wings spread. Darts means to move suddenly and quickly, and escape means get away. Okay, so who are the characters we have seen? Mouse named Moti, deer named Daisy, crow named Cuckoo, tortoise named Tinku. Okay, now I am going to tell you the story in short. Students, I will say you the outline of the story. Okay, so in a jungle there lived three friends. Who are they? Means mouse, deer, crow. They are their three friends. So they are having one name. Mouse named Monty, deer named Daisy, crow named Cuckoo. So they became very good friends. They lived near the lake. They played together. One day these animals, they meet a tortoise. Tortoise named Tinku. So the tortoise is asking that, can I be your friends? So they all accepted tortoise as his friend. Now they are having a four friends. Who are they? Mouse, deer, crow, tortoise. Now became a four friends. Okay, so they placed together. One day, mouse, crow, tortoise are waiting for the deer to come by the lake. As time passes, the deer, it does not come. So the tortoise is saying that, crow, can you fly over the jungle to look for the deer? The crow said, okay. Now the crow is flying over the jungle to look for the deer. While the crow is flying, the crow is calling out the deer's name. What is the deer's name? Daisy. He is calling that Daisy, Daisy, like that. Okay. Now the deer, it is also calling out for help. Now the crow hears the sound of the deer. He flies towards the sounds of the deer. Finally, the crow meets the deer. Now the crow saw the deer. The deer, it was trapped in the hunter's net. Okay, now the deer was in danger. Now the deer was in danger. What danger it has? It has trapped. So it has cast in the hunter's net. Hunter's net. So the deer, it's trapped in the hunter's net. Now it is in the hunter's net only. So the crow is telling to the deer that, don't worry, I will help you. Okay, then deer is saying, be quick. Then the crow flies over to tell the other friends. Now the crow is coming and telling to the mouse and the tortoise that the deer is in danger. It is trapped in the hunter's net. We have to help her. Like the deer is telling to tortoise and the mouse. Okay. Crow is telling to tortoise and the mouse. Okay. Now the tortoise, it is having a plan. Okay. It is having a plan. Is having one good plan. So the tortoise is asking to the mouse that, can you cut the net with your teeth? Because the mouse, it is having a short teeth, no, so can you cut the net with your teeth? He is saying, okay. So the plan is the crow, the mouse and the crow. Okay, the crow carries mouse on her back. Crow carries mouse on his back. Okay, the crow is carrying a mouse on his back. Now the crow and the mouse, it reaches the spot where the deer has trapped in the hunter's net. Now the mouse cut the hunter's net. The mouse cut the hunter's net. He cut the hunter's net to save the deer. Okay, to save the deer. Okay, to save the deer, the mouse cut the hunter's net. Now he cut the net. Now the deer, it was saved. Okay, the deer was saved. Okay, now the deer was saved. So this was the plan given by the tortoise. Okay, so the crow carries a mouse on his back and mouse cuts the hunter's net to save the deer. Now the deer was saved. Okay, he said thank you to the mouse. Okay, at that time the tortoise also came to that spot. Okay, now in this place how many animals are there? There are 4 animals: mouse, deer, crow, tortoise are there in one place. So after deer was saved, the tortoise also came to that place. Okay, now the 4 animals are there in one place. At that time the hunter, he also came there. So everybody are running because the hunter will catch. No, so everybody are running to save them. Okay, as the tortoise is very slow in the movement, his movement is very slow. It was easily catched. Okay, the tortoise was catched. The hunter has catched the tortoise and put him in his bag. Okay, now the tortoise is in danger. Okay, now the tortoise is in danger. What danger? In the hunter's bag. Hunter's bag. Okay. So the tortoise is in danger. It was put in the hunter's bag. Okay. Now these 3 animals, mouse, deer, crow, are planning to save the tortoise. Okay. So the deer, it is having one good plan. Okay. The deer. So while they are planning to save the tortoise, the deer come up with a good plan. Okay. The plan is, the deer is lying on the ground, crow is sitting on her. Okay. What is the plan? The plan is, deer is lying on the ground. Okay, deer is lying on the ground. And crow is sitting on her. Okay, crow is sitting on her. Okay, so this is a plan. The plan is, the deer is lying on the ground, crow is sitting on her. So now what the hunter will think by seeing this? The hunter will think that the deer is died. Okay, the deer, it has died. How he think that the deer is died? Because the crow is sitting upon the deer. No. So usually if anything dies means the crow, it will dip. Usually if anything dies means the crow, it will sit upon the dead animals and start making a lot of noise. The same situation here also there. Okay. Now the deer is lying on the ground. The crow is sitting on her. The same situation here also there. The hunter sees that deer is lying on the ground and crow is sitting on her. Okay, he puts the bag down. The hunter, he puts the bag down and walks towards the deer. At that time, mouse cut the hunter's bag to save the tortoise. At the right time, when the hunter is nearing to the deer, he puts the bag down and he walks towards the deer. At the right time, the mouse cut the hunter's bag. Okay. Mouse cut the hunter's bag. Okay, he cut the hunter's bag to save the tortoise. To save the tortoise. The mouse cut the hunter's bag to save the tortoise. This was done by the mouse. That also the mouse, it cut the hunter's bag to save the tortoise. Now the tortoise was saved. Okay, after cutting the hunter's bag, the tortoise is came down. Okay, now the tortoise was saved. Now the tortoise was saved. They too, that is mouse and the tortoise, they are behind the bushes. They are hiding behind the bushes. So the mouse and the tortoise, they are hiding behind the bushes. Now the tortoise was saved. No, now they are hiding behind the bushes. Now at this place, which animals are there? Deer and the crow are there. When the hunters nears the deer it darts away. Okay, deer, what's a deer do? Deer it darts away. Deer it darts away and crow flies away. Okay, and crow flies away. What do you mean by dart? Dart means to move suddenly and quickly. The deer it quickly ran. It quickly jumped. Okay, and the crow it flied away. Okay, at last the four of them escaped. The four friends escaped from the hunter. First the tortoise was in difficulty, so the mouse was saved and they are hiding behind the bushes. Now these two animals are there. When the hunters near the tortoise, when the hunters near the deer, it quickly ran away. It quickly make a movement and ran away, and the crow it flies. Okay, so now the four friends are escaped from the hunter. They lived very happily. Okay, from the story, what do we understand? I have told now what is that? So a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, so they are both living very happily. Okay, so this is a story. Students, have you cleared the story? First, the deer was in danger. It was saved by the other animals. Now here in the second one, the tortoise was in danger and it was saved by the other animals. So we have to help everyone who are in need. You have to help them. Okay, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend will help when help is needed. They are the two friends. Okay, thank you students.